Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to define next tense, which is future indefinite, and it is one of the most common and most important tenses in English. Future indefinite tense. If we talk about its identity, usually in Urdu we have this type of word ga, gi, ge, wo padega, soega, ladega. And if we talk about its definition, so it shows any action which you believe you will perform in your future. For example, if I say right now, I will have my food now, it means once the lecture is over, right after this point, I am going outside and I will have my food. For example, if I say Pakistan will defeat India, it means that this is my future firm belief the action will happen and Pakistan will defeat India. So it shows your future belief which you think that you will perform in your future. Karega, ladega, padega, these type of words come in end of the sentence in Urdu. And helping verb we have will. You can use shall with I and will, but even if you don't use will, can be used with I and shall both now. And verb we will use first form of verb, with singular and plural we will use will. For example, वो मेरी मदद करेगा. This is my belief that this action of helping me will happen in future. So वो मेरी मदद करेगा. Action will happen. So he will help me. You can see that he is your subject, which is singular, and with singular I am using, this is your helping verb, and will is your help is your first form. He will help me. And for making interrogative, as I told you that we have to bring helping verb in start of the sentence, same will happen here. Will he help me? You will bring will in start of the sentence and it will become will he help me. And for making negative, you will say he will not help me. Let me tell you here that future indefinite is a very common tense, and most of the time in our daily routine, if you just analyze or just just think about this tense, so you will come to know that most of your routine since the morning till late night, you just keep speaking future indefinite tense. You can just analyze yourself. आप खुद सोच सकते हैं. So this is a very important tense. इसको जरा focus करें, and you have to cram this formula. Having crammed this formula, apply the structure and it will become easy for you. Hopefully you must have liked my way of teaching. If you liked it, so my number is in front of you, so you may pay the fee and you may take your online classes from me, having paid a reasonable fee. Thank you very much.